Hi, I'm Monica, and this is Darren with Florida Property Detectives. Ask the Inspector is a show that will cover topics that are commonly found and flagged in a home inspection report.
Ask the inspector.
Ask the inspector.
Ask the inspector.
So let's get to it. What's the big deal? It's just garage doors.
Well, garage doors can be a really big deal. We actually saw one once with a client who was testing it himself before we had a chance to look at it, where it fell off the ceiling onto the garage floor. That can be very dangerous. There's a lot of built-in safety features with the garage door, but the most important thing initially is that it's just attached to the house correctly. We check up here, make sure the brackets and bolts are solid. Same with here on both sides. And then we also check these rollers, because if these come loose, then the door can actually fall from this point. So we just want to make sure everything's solid. A couple of safety features that we look at are the auto reverse light beams and the contact auto reverse. And we'll test those now. The light beam auto reverse sensors, we check first to make sure that they're no higher than 6 inches off the ground per manufacturer's recommendations. And then we check them to make sure they work. Much like the contact auto reverse, very important safety features, especially if you're going to have small kids in your home. That's what we want to see from this door. When it hits anything along its path to close, it should auto reverse back up. So this door is structurally very sound, attached well. The light beam sensors are the appropriate height. All the safety features work. So this garage door is good to go.
So there you have it. Garage doors can be a big deal, and it's important to check for both of those safety features. And if you do a good, thorough home inspection, those things will always be checked out.
Ask the inspector.
Ask the inspector.
Ask the inspector.